Cajun Gumbo with chicken and sausage recipe. Cajun cuisine is one of our favorite cuisine types. Cajun food incorporates all kinds different ingredients like sausage, shrimp, rice, beans, vegetables and all kinds of different sauces that are sweet, sensual and spicy. There are all kinds of different dishes that have a variety of flavors. Cajun food is a blend of French and native dishes in the southern United States that literally have created dishes that are heavenly. Dishes like gumbo, dirty rice, and jambalaya are simply divine, and for the busy folk who want to eat well, these dishes can make many portions. We want to give you a great Cajun recipe. Ingredients: 3 large boneless skinless chicken breast halves, salt and pepper, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 pound smoked sausage cut into 1/4 inch slices, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons butter, 1 large onion chopped, 8 cloves garlic minced, 1 green bell pepper seeded and chopped, 3 stalks celery chopped, 1/4 cup Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 bunch flat leaf parsley chopped, 4 cups hot water, 5 cubes beef bouillon, 1 can stewed tomatoes with juice, 2 cups frozen sliced okra, 4 green onions sliced, 1 pound small shrimp peeled, deveined and cooked. Instructions: brown the chicken in the oil season with salt and pepper. Add sausage and brown. Remove the meats. Sprinkle the flour over the oil and add the butter. This will create a delicious roux. Do not let it burn. When it's well mixed, make sure to remove and cool. Re-add the mint and add the remaining ingredients and cook well. Cook for about 45 minutes until the ingredients are well blended and well seasoned.